Space is beautiful, but it's also terrifying. Out there are places so violent, so extreme, that even light itself can't escape. From stars that can crush atoms, to cosmic storms that could erase entire worlds in seconds. These are the places no human should ever visit. Welcome to the top 10 most dangerous places in the universe, where the laws of physics stop protecting you, and the universe shows its true, brutal power. 1. The Boötes Void, where the universe goes silent. Our journey begins inside a cosmic abyss known as the Boötes Void, a region so incomprehensibly large that its scale breaks the human mind. This void stretches across 330 million light-years, a space so vast that if the Milky Way were placed at its center, we would see almost nothing. No glittering galaxies, no sparkling star clusters, only an endless, suffocating darkness. Astronomers expected this region to contain more than 10,000 galaxies, but instead, they found fewer than 70 scattered across its empty depths. Theories suggest it formed when several smaller voids collided, creating a cosmic desert, a wound carved into the structure of the universe. Inside the Boötes Void, the night sky would be a blank canvas. No points of light, no sign of life, just a silence so profound that it erases the feeling of existence itself. It is not dangerous because of radiation or gravity, but because it represents the ultimate form of isolation, the loneliest region in the known universe. 2. Venus, the beautiful world built to destroy. From emptiness we plunge into brutality. Venus, Earth's twin in size and mass, once believed to be a paradise, is now the definition of planetary hell. Beneath its golden clouds lies a relentless inferno. Temperatures soar to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. The pressure is so crushing, it equals the weight of being a kilometer underwater. Its skies cloud with sulfuric acid droplets, and lightning storms illuminate a horizon of volcanic plains. Spacecraft attempting to land survive only minutes. Venera 13, the toughest probe ever sent, lasted barely over 2 hours, before Venus dissolved, crushed, and melted it. Venus shows us what happens when a world falls to runaway greenhouse heating. It is a mirror of Earth, a reflection of what we might become if we ever lose control of our own planet. 3. Neutron stars, the sun crushed into a city. Far from our solar system lie objects that defy imagination. Neutron stars. These are the collapsed hearts of massive suns, cores crushed to the size of a small city, yet containing more mass than the entire sun itself. A teaspoon of neutron star material weighs as much as a mountain. Its gravity is so intense it pulls atoms into impossible shapes. Some spin hundreds of times every second, emitting beams of radiation as they turn. Approaching one would be instant death. Your body would be torn apart at the atomic level, stretched into a thin stream of particles before you could even comprehend the pain. Neutron stars are cosmic tombstones, remnants of dead suns that continue to haunt the galaxy with unimaginable power. 4. HD 189733b. The world where glass falls like rain. Our next destination appears at first like a serene, sapphire blue planet. But HD 189733b is no paradise. It is a storm world forged in pure violence. The blue color comes from vaporized silicate particles in its atmosphere, the same material that makes glass. Temperatures approach 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit, and winds scream across the planet. At nearly 8,700 kilometers per hour, faster than bullets. In this world, storms fling molten glass sideways. Shards travel at supersonic speeds, slicing through anything unfortunate enough to exist there. This is a planet of eternal storms, a place where even the sky tears itself apart. 5. The galactic core, a stellar battlefield. Now we descend into the heart of our galaxy, a region so chaotic that no solar system could survive for long. Stars here are packed millions of times more tightly than in our region of space. They collide, they explode, They rip each other apart. Radiation floods the environment in every direction. Rogue black holes drift silently, waiting to devour anything that crosses their paths. At the center waits Sagittarius A*, a supermassive black hole 4 million times more massive than our Sun. Stars orbit it at speeds reaching 7 million miles per hour. The galactic core is both beautiful and deadly, a glowing storm of light and destruction, where the rules that protect life simply cannot exist. 6. Quasars. Galaxies turned into deadly beacons. Across the distant universe we find quasars, the brightest and most violent objects ever discovered. A quasar is formed when matter spirals into a supermassive black hole at unimaginable speeds. The friction and energy release create a cosmic furnace so intense that its light can be seen across the entire visible universe. Quasars blast out jets of radiation and plasma millions of light-years long, powerful enough to vaporize planets and strip atmospheres even from across galaxies. If a quasar were pointed at Earth from thousands of light-years away, life would vanish in an instant. They are the cosmic equivalents of supermassive blowtorches, galaxies weaponized by their own central black holes. 7. Magnetars, the universe's magnetic monsters. As if neutron stars weren't terrifying enough, nature created something even more extreme: magnetars. These exotic stars possess magnetic fields 1 trillion times stronger than Earth's. A field so powerful it can distort the shapes of atoms, tearing electrons away from their nuclei. A single magnetar flare can release more energy in 1/10 of a second than our Sun emits in 100,000 years. In 2004, a magnetar 50,000 light-years away released a burst so powerful it momentarily disrupted Earth's atmosphere. A magnetar within 10 light-years would sterilize our planet completely. They are cosmic weapons, stars that break the universe by simply existing. 8. Hypervelocity stars, the cosmic bullets. Imagine a star flying through the galaxy so fast that it could escape the Milky Way entirely. These are hypervelocity stars, cosmic bullets shot from the mouths of black holes. When a binary star wanders too close to a supermassive black hole, one star gets swallowed, the other is fired outward at millions of miles per hour, launched like a projectile made of plasma and nuclear fire. A single hypervelocity star passing through a solar system could tear planets apart gravitationally, shatter orbits, and plunge worlds into chaos. These stars travel without purpose, without warning, and without the possibility of being stopped. 9. Gamma-ray bursts, the universe's instant killers. Even more terrifying are gamma-ray bursts, colossal beams of energy that explode when massive stars collapse, or when neutron stars collide. They unleash more energy in seconds than the Sun will emit in its entire 10 billion-year lifespan. If a gamma-ray burst pointed at Earth from even thousands of light-years away, our ozone layer would be stripped instantly. Radiation would flood the surface, igniting global extinction. Scientists believe one may have caused one of Earth's ancient mass extinctions. Gamma-ray bursts are pure devastation, the closest thing the universe has to a cosmic death ray. 10. Black holes where reality ends. And now we reach the kings of destruction. Black holes. Objects so powerful that not even light can escape their pull. At their centers lies a singularity, a point of infinite density where the laws of physics collapse. Their gravity can stretch your body into atoms. Their accretion disks glow hotter than stars, and their relativistic jets fire plasma at nearly the speed of light. Ton 618, one of the largest black holes known, contains the mass of 66 billion suns, and could swallow our entire solar system without slowing down. Black holes are not just dangerous, they are the ultimate predators of the universe, the places where space and time cease to exist. If this journey through the universe amazed you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Your support lets us travel even deeper into the unknown. Share this video with someone who loves space, and I'll see you in the next adventure among the stars.